11. The guardian of life, the ozone layer. Up in the sky, between 20 and 30 kilometers from the Earth's surface, there exists a sky-blue transparent sphere. It is the ozone layer in the stratosphere of the atmosphere, which is the guardian of life on Earth. Without it, cosmic rays, especially the ultraviolet rays emitted by the sun, would shine on humans and animals without any resistance. As a result, 99% of humans and animals would be inflicted with cancer and cataracts, and their immune systems would be weakened, making them susceptible to contagious diseases like the flu, which could wipe out entire populations. Because of this, the Vienna Conference in 1985 and the London Conference in 1990 established a resolution to protect the ozone layer. Why? First discovered by a German scientist in 1839, ozone is a relatively unstable light blue molecule composed of 3 oxygen atoms. The ozone molecule mainly results from the photolysis of intense ultraviolet radiation. The content of ozone accounts for less than 100,000th in the atmosphere. 90% of ozone is concentrated in the ozone layer, which absorbs and filters ultraviolet radiation waves that are readily absorbable by the nucleic acid in biological cells. Ranging in wavelengths between 240 nanometers and 320 nanometers, these ultraviolet radiation waves can cause the aforementioned diseases and pose a direct threat to the survival of life on Earth if they are absorbed by animals, plants, and humans. Ozone and the ozone layer are protecting humans, but the ozone inhaled by people near the ground is a harmful substance, which is capable of damaging lung tissues and the photosynthesis reaction system of plants. As a powerful photochemical oxidant, it can cause great damage to rubber, plastics, and the life of animals and plants. It can react with the hydrocarbon of automobile exhaust and volatile gasoline to generate organic pollutants like acetaldehyde and ketone. In 1973, 2 scientists from the University of California discovered that the synthetic substances known as CFCs had the ability to deplete the ozone layer. Meanwhile, human activities in the refrigeration and aviation industries were contributing to ozone generation. Human activities are pushing themselves to the brink of extinction, which has brought concern to scientists and far-sighted political leaders. This is why people should protect the ozone layer while preventing the increase of ozone in the troposphere, especially within the Earth's surface. The ozone layer also has other functions. For example, it can collide with meteorites in space, burning and digesting them in the ozone layer. Without this protection, the Earth would be littered with meteorites, and the planet's weight would not be the same as it is today. The Earth would have fallen into the sun long ago. I am not here to discuss how to protect the ozone layer, but to illustrate that the ozone layer in the atmosphere has not formed naturally. It is not dispensable but has been carefully designed and arranged by the greatest creator.